welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time here. My name is Diona. Straight like that. No, my name is Diona, and in this video I am showing you how I installed this wig that I have on my head. I got it from a company called CurlyMe hair. All of the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. But today I'm wearing an 18-inch Kinky Curly 180 density glueless unit. So this is a 9x6 pre-cut closure. So this is how wide the closure is, and they pre-bleach the knots for you, and they also pre-pluck it. And also this is what they call an M-cap. So it has like ear holes cut out in the wig for you so that your ears can fit comfortably. And I think I already said this is 180 density, but yeah, the point of this hair is to wear it gluelessly. I mean, you don't have to, but like it's a glueless wig, a wear and go wigs. One of those wigs where you don't have to do hardly anything, really just slide it on and go. Especially after you style it the first time, you take it off, you can just keep sliding it back on and off and keep it pushing. So, but before we get into the video, I just want to show you what comes in the box. I really like their packaging. Like, this is a really nice box. For me, it's about presentation. Like, make me feel like I'm spending my money for a reason. But inside the box, they give you a card that talks about the M-cap and the construction of the wig and just the advantages if you want a little more information on that. And then also, it has removable clips on the wig. So the back of the wig has this clip and a clip like this where you can put them on and off, because not everybody uses the clips in the wigs, and sometimes having them there can either be like uncomfortable, or not having them there can make it feel like the wig is not as secure. So they basically give you the option to put them on or off, and then they also give you another adjustable band like this, and the band has like this no slip grip on it to help prevent it from sliding. And then, so these are the gifts that are inside the box, and I like how it says CurlyMe gifts. It has a little tab that you can pull. I'm like, that's so cute. So inside of the little package, you have some lashes that look like this. You get an edge brush, some HD wig caps, another care card for the hair. Oh yes, and a freaking dust bag. You know, dust bags are so important, so I'm glad it comes with a dust bag. And then also, I used it already, but it comes with this head wrap right here, which has like the Gucci print. I think it's so cute. But anyways, y'all, if you want to see how I installed this wig and how easy it is and how I styled it, then you gotta keep on watching. Okay, so I'm taking my Ruby Kisses makeup per usual, and I'm just gonna color my wig cap using my new wig cap coloring method, which is just pressing the brush into the cap as opposed to dragging it. Like, why did it take me this long to figure that out? But whatever, I guess better late than never, right? So just press, 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 press. All right, so now that's done. I love that this wig comes with like a tag on it. I think it's so professional when they give you like little tags, like just to make me feel like I actually made a purchase, you know? Sometimes they don't want to be doing that, but I gotta cut it off. Like, I like popping tags. Let me pop a tag on my wig. So yeah. This comes with the removable clip, but I do want to keep the clip on because I like having the clip in the back of the wig. To me, it makes it more secure. And it looks like the band is already at like a good width. So before I slide the wig on my head, I'm actually gonna color the inside of the lace. Now, like I said, the knots are already bleached, but I do wanna just put like a little bit of this excess makeup along like the front of the lace here, being careful not to get it on the hair, because that tends to be the part that's like a little lighter. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of makeup, not too much. And now I'm just gonna slide the wig on my head. So I have the band on, and I'm just sliding in that comb in the back. Because it's an M cap, it fits perfectly behind your ear. So it creates that little hollow for your ear holes. which is perfect. And which is crazy, like as soon as you slide the wig on, like the lace like disappears in the front. Like it looks really good. So love that for me. So this is what the curls look like right out of the box, but of course we're going to be sprucing it up a little bit, but this is just what it looks like on. But and now I'm just gonna go ahead and style the wig. And now I'm just gonna swoop my edges with my gel. So I like that my edges look a little more natural, like they're a little thinner. They're not like super thick like how I normally do them. And I like thinner edges with curly hair because I feel like it looks really natural. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and wrap my edges. All right, so while my edges sit, I'm gonna go ahead and do my, or define my curls. This is 18 inches and I really love the length. Again, this is like giving that natural length. So I'm just gonna split my hair into 2 sections. And I'm going to use a few things today. First, I'm going to use my water. Also going to, I don't know why I slammed that down like that. I'm going to use my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shrinkage Defense Curl Activating Cream. This, and then I'm also going to use the Cream of Nature Curling Mousse. So hopefully all of this together will make the curls pop how I really want it to. So now I'm going in with the mousse. Curling mousse. Put it on the ends. And I'm just gonna brush through it. Oh yeah. That is what I want to see. Look at these curls. Do you see this? Yes. And then I'm just gonna go behind with this cream. It's like I don't even have to scrunch it. It just makes the curls so perfect. Oh yeah. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. I can't stop brushing through it. Like, it's just so fun and it looks so good. Okay, so this is what it looks like wet. So if you like the wet look or you like wet curls, this is for you. It looks so pretty. Look at these curls. Just look at them. It's so cute. I love how big they are. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is actually diffuse the hair to help dry it a little quicker. This is what the curls are looking like after they've been diffused. They're still not 100% dry. I'll give it more like maybe like 70–80%, but you can tell the difference in how the curls look. But it's so full and fluffy, and I love how like they're still staying defined after like being diffused and stuff. But the next thing I'm gonna do is define the parting space here, of course. So I'm just gonna go in on my parting with some Got to Be Free spray and my wax stick. Okay, so now I'm just taking some of my cream makeup again, the same makeup, and putting it along my hairline where the lace is, just to blend it with my forehead. And lastly, I'm just taking a flat angled brush in my concealer, and I'm gonna put it along this part. Should I cut some pieces? I like to cut pieces near my face just to like frame my face a little bit. So I'm just gonna take some scissors and I'm gonna cut long layers, not shorter ones. Just longer layers like this. There we go. Just so it frames my face. And I love that, of course, as always, it is glueless, like glueware. And we done. That's it. That's all it takes, honestly. And it don't even take that much if you don't want to do baby hairs, but I did. So this is what it's looking like. It's cute. Cute. This is a really, really good wig. Definitely go check it out. All the information for this hair, of course, will be in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.